So we're just a couple of days away from the Unpacked event where we expect the Galaxy S10 and the foldable phone to be under that special spotlight. It's been a long time since we are looking at these vendors, teasers, leaks, reports, and now it all ends with this listing. First of all, it's completely official, so there's no reason to doubt. Secondly, the listing just confirmed the info we already know. Starting with the display, we have a 6.3-inch OLED panel for S10 Plus, 6.1-inch for S10 and 5.8-inch for S10e. All three smartphones admire Infinity O design with Gorilla Glass 6 protection for pricier models, and for S10e we have Gorilla Glass 5. The fingerprint scanner is now present behind the display, which is an ultrasonic tag with 3D scan for more security. It's only for S10 and S10 Plus. For S10e we have side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Again, iris scanner is not there, but as a replacement, we are getting face recognition, which should be secure enough to rival Huawei Mate 20 Pro. In terms of camera, the S10 and S10 Plus sport triple rear camera implementation, and for S10e, we have a dual rear camera tag. Interestingly, dual aperture is not an exception. Also, the whole setup promises to give a very good experience when it comes to ultra-wide pictures or low-light photography. Just to mention here that the ultra-wide sensor present here doesn't support optical image stabilization, but I'm sure that Samsung will never compromise with video quality and it will be better than the predecessor models, maybe because of some software magic. On the front, we have a dual camera system for S10 Plus and a single camera for lower models. Again, you will be able to experience the depth control feature on S10 Plus, and for lower models, we get some of the very crisp work. And yeah, there's 4K video recording support for front camera without optical image stabilization, but they come with some more loaded features like live focus, zoom effect, spin effect, etc. Now moving to the most important side of this phone, that is battery. The Galaxy S10 Plus packs a 4100 mAh battery in a very slim 7.8mm body. For S10, we have a 3400 mAh unit in a 7.8mm body too, while the S10e managed to pack a 3100 mAh unit in a 7.9mm thick body, which is also impressive considering the pricing of this device. It's no more a secret that the maxed out version of S10 Plus comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. The listing do confirms that, and you can also have a look at the color options and storage variants for different models. That said, the Galaxy S10 is almost official and you should have a look at some more points in this listing. For daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.